What's going on, guys? I was just gonna do a little quick mail time bag, but of course I'm leaving Walmart and this is sitting next to the self-checkout all by itself. So I bought a little box of Playoff Retail. I've got in so many breaks lately, like I gotta stop. I don't even know what this is. This could be nothing. I'm not sure, but figured I'd go make a quick video. We'll go ahead and open up this box first, though. I don't know if I've done a retail one of Playbook. I might have. I don't know. Oh, what was there? Four packs in these. Find one auto or mem card. I think it's just 4 packs. Okay. And look thick. Maybe that first one. Be nice to get a good little auto, but can't ask for much at a retail. Or if anybody get any that encased. I tried to get a box, but it was sold out. Get J.J. Watts. Alright, what we got here? This is our hit then. Sony Michel. Oop. Let's see here. This is... Player worn. Okay. Had to find it there for a minute. Not bad. Jason Witten, X's and O's. So that's the inserts. Like I said, I haven't bought any Playbook. Dawson Knox. Irvin Smith Jr. These are our rookies. Alright, don't expect anything else out of these packs, but you never know. Zeke Elliott. AJ Green. That's a numbered card. Okay. That is 44 out of 49. Can't see it. I can't get the focus on this one right, but nice. Alright, didn't expect that. Not sure what that's called for it. A little blue-green down there at the bottom. Alright, alright. Nice little hit. We got a Kyle Murray. Play action. Always nice to get a Kyle. Kyler. Set you over there. Williams. Rookie. And a Travis Homer rookie. Okay. Alright. Not a bad little box so far. Didn't expect to get that AJ Green. Always nice to get a Kyler, like I said. Jones. Mark Ingram. Miles Sanders. We got a DK Metcalf rookie. And a Quadre Olsons. I'm terrible with some of these guys' first names. Rookie. It's not going to open for me there. Wouldn't be a video if I didn't have a problem with one pack. Got a Kirk Cousins. Tristan Hill rookie. I'm not sure what the ones that are colored at the bottom are called for these. Huh, okay. That's you on there. Go to X's and O's. Harrison Smith. Got a Justice Hill rookie. And a Jonathan Abram rookie. Not bad, not bad. Let's see what I got here out of this break. Not sure. I got a lot. Like I said, I don't know how many breaks I'm in. Oh, this one's nope, I don't remember which break this one was at all. Now I probably got 10 of these packages coming. If I hit anything. I think this is one of the ones that ships all, so it's probably gonna be nothing but base cards. I really don't remember. I'm pretty sure I've got one of these guys' breaks though, because he always sends them in one of these. But must not have been anything crazy, because I think he'll top load those. But I could be wrong. Looks like I had the Panthers. I don't know if I had nothing but Panthers or what. Okay. Packing peanut. Go ahead and flip these. Alright. I think this might have been like a 3-box break I was in. I'm sure I had like 2 or 3 teams. DJ Moore. Thunder and Lightning. Cam Newton, Christian McCaffrey. Will Gear, rookie wave. Jordan Scarlett, rookie. Eric Reed. Cam Newton. Will Greer, Air Command. Another Cam Newton and Christian McCaffrey, Thunder and Lightning. Eric Reed. Christian McCaffrey. Julius Peppers. Got a Marquise Goodwin. I guess I did get. Usually, price is so high on some of these breaks for the Niners. Marquise Goodwin. Well, okay, there's a numbered Marquise right there. First down. That is 34 out of 99. I'll put you over here in the PC. Jimmy. Jalen Hurd, rookie. Steve Young. Rookie wave Nick Bosa. Rookie wave Devo. My dog is going crazy with her bone. We got an Air Command Jimmy G. George Kittle. Stargazing. Richard Sherman. Jalen Hurd, rookie wave. I think I've almost got all the rookie waves. I went a little crazy with playoff, I think. George Kittle. All right, we got some legacy now. I guess I had the Bills. Warren Moon. Earl Campbell. Derrick Henry. I like the way these legacy look. Marcus Mariota. Adam Humphries. I guess I had Tampa Bay as well. I've had a string of just no hits. Kind of get me down about breaks. Might just start saving up and get some big boxes. I do some breaks myself if anybody's interested. Earl Campbell. Another Derrick Henry. Adam Humphries. Warren Moon. Marcus Mariota. We got a numbered Warren Moon. It is 40 out of 50. Not bad, not bad. All right. Let's go over here. Another Adam Humphries. We had a, what was that? Jeffrey Simmons, numbered 164 out of 299. Nice. Get an A.J. Brown rookie. I like that A.J. Brown's cards. Simmons, Simmons. Another A.J. Brown rookie. Simmons. And a lot of Simmons. Alright, guys. Like I said, I've got no telling how many packages coming. Probably everything will be here Friday or Saturday. I might do a pretty huge mail time video Saturday night, or if I get off late, it might be Sunday morning, you know, the bar life. But alright, and I also have the Boombox Platinum coming, and another subscription box that I just heard about. So I'll make a video about that and let y'all know. Later.